So hello, thank you for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailer's YouTube channel. My name is Martin. In this video we're going to present to you a new product from a new brand that you can find on carcare24.eu, Gtechniq Ceramic Sealant. This product occurred to me by a special customer called Dean from T&H Carcare. He needed to have it, so we already carried a couple of Gtechniq products, so we ordered this also for him with it, and he was very positive about it, so I needed to check it out myself. Gtechniq C2 V4 ceramic sealant should be a super easy to apply protector against UV, against dirt buildup, against water buildup, and you can also apply it on wet and on dry surfaces. Watch this video till the end to find all steps for perfect application and check out the results together with me. Let's go. So first I want to do some claybarring. As we can hear also when we glide our fingers over the roof of the car, it's a little bit, it doesn't feel super squeaky clean yet. So therefore it's always a good idea to first do some claybarring and remove bonded contamination, oxidation, fly rust maybe. And as a clay lubricant we're going to use Deacon's Orange Eco diluted 1:15, which is originally a dry wash, but you can use it for a lot of other purposes, as in this case claybarring as well. Tips of my fingers over the clay so I can perfectly feel where it's smooth and where it isn't. Oh, it's getting better now. You can also see it's a little bit bronzy, beige kind of. It should be gray, like this. So let's fold it inside. Always make sure that when you're claybarring, the surface is lubricated enough. So make sure not to claybar on a dry surface. This creates a lot of marring, and it will cost you another step of finishing polishing to remove that again. And as always, preventing is better than repairing. There was a lot of stubborn contamination. So let's wipe it off and let's feel if it's slicker now. Yeah, this feels much better. Also, I don't hear anything of that rough layer anymore. Much better. Cool. Gtechniq ceramic sealant comes with a separate sprayer. So we're gonna twist off the top. And we're going to shake it very well before use. So Gtechniq also advises to do not use it directly in sunlight or in UV radiation, which we're also not going to do. Here I've got the Deacon gray microfiber applicators. Twist open the nozzle. Well, it releases quite some product. Spread it over the surface. Let's first do it half, so we can also compare a little bit on how the difference is with and without ceramic sealant. It doesn't say anything about curing time, so my guess is that you can immediately wipe off the excess material with a short piled microfiber towel. In this case we've got Deacon's green exterior workhorse towels here. I have to say it wipes off really easy, hardly any effort at all. If I see this filmy kind of finish, oh yeah, and now with an extra wipe this goes better. Not bad, eh? It definitely feels much slicker than without. So let me get my IK sprayer out here, so we can do a good comparison. Let me put this drying towel here in the center of the windshield. Hopefully it will catch a lot of water. To be honest, it's not as mind-blowing as I hoped it would be. But maybe with 2 layers, this will improve. The product is layerable. That might really explain something here. Yeah, that's much better. So I can already see from the point of where I'm standing, all the water bubbles are very, very, very small, and they seem to be rolling quite easily. So like this one is tending to go. Let me shake the car a little bit. Here, but it's almost coming together. Yeah, here it goes. Ooh. And here on the other side, we see that I cannot really say it's like beading. It's like some kind of water protection, but it's like large drops, also not very round or drop-like shaped, not so small as it is on this side. And also give it a little bit of, and I have to blow hard, it keeps on clinging. And if I would do this one here, here we go. So yeah, that's pretty much the difference. We can really confirm that with Gtechniq ceramic sealant, the effect is much better than without. So Gtechniq C2 V4 ceramic sealant. To be honest, I like it. The product does what it needs to do. It also lives up to the promises that's written on the label. Protects us against UV, water repellency and dirt. You could have seen that also on the test behind us. What steps did I do to apply this product? Step 1, make sure that the surface is clean and clay-barred and super smooth. And with that also ready to be applied with this ceramic sealant. Then shake this product very well. Step 3 is spray it on a microfiber applicator or towel and then apply from that applicator onto the surface. And step 4 is immediately buff after with a short piled clean microfiber towel. In this case we could have seen there was some filmy residue, so maybe I did it too fast. I did it I think within 30 seconds. So maybe let it cure between 30 and 60 seconds to make that wiping off excess material go easier and smoother. And then, yeah, you could also layer it if you want to. So we had to think up to 3 layers in this video. We could have seen the improvement on the left half of the roof of the car behind me. Gtechniq claims it should have a durability up to maximum 6 months. I think it may be doable, but it really depends on your washing cycles and how you wash. So make sure when your car is protected with a product like this to use pH 7, so neutral car wash shampoos, and also dilute them accordingly in your washing bucket. So this was this video for my first Gtechniq product. I liked it. I hope you like it too. If you got some questions, write them here below. In the beginning of the video you saw me using the clay bar and it was needed on the rooftop here behind me. If you'd like to know more about detailing clay, then might want to click on the pop-up banner and watch that video too. Thanks again for watching. See you guys and girls in the next video. Bye bye.